you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is basically gonna be me constructing a wig. As you can see, I am in need of a new hairstyle. Like, my hair is sticking out the braids and I really didn't want to cut my real hair, so I'm just stuck looking nappy. I got like little limb balls on my braids and stuff. That's not cute. So I decided to make me a wig. But before we get into the wig construction, I'm just gonna do like a little unboxing of the hair that I got. So the hair is from Tinashe or Tinashe hair. And it comes, well, it's shipped via UPS, so it took like 2 days for shipping. And it comes in this little Ziploc bag like this. And when you open it, it has the hair in it. I already opened the 16-inch because I was just, you know me, I'm just thirsty. So I'll show you guys that because I also like comb through and all that stuff. But when you open the box, you'll see your hair. And I got the loose deep wave in the length 16, 18, and 20, and then I got a 16-inch frontal. Then they have like a little paper that advertises their company, and then it also has like hair care instructions, which is really cool. And they also send you like a little gift. Oh, it's cute! Look, it's like a little button. I'm feeling weird. It's cute. So they send you like a little button or whatever. Wait, I can't get it out. This is not a button, it's a mirror. But you can see yourself. That's the camera I film on, by the way. It's the Sony A5000. But look, it's a mirror. Gee, I thought it was a button. I was realized about to plop it on, but it's a mirror. That's really cute. And my eyebrows really. Those who have been a part of my channel know that I'm a curly hair kid, so this is something new for me. Like loose deep, I've never tried this texture before. And it's also a Brazilian, that's the origin of the hair. So it comes in these little plastic bags, and then when you open the bundle, you will see that it's covered by a net, which is nice too. It's cute. This is kind of cute. So this is how it looks fresh out the box, and this is how it looks when I comb it out and all that good stuff. This is my 16-inch, by the way. The hair is really soft. It doesn't have like that really overwhelming corn chip smell, which is a plus. It smells like, you know, the beauty supply hair, so you know how that goes. As far as like the wefts, they're a decent size, like they're thick. And compared to the 16-inch, the 20 and the 18 inches, like really exceptional, because you know, the longer the length, the less hair you get. I am going to co-wash it for you guys and show you guys like how it bounces back. Hopefully it bounces back to this you know, this pattern. If not, I'm gonna be like really sad, especially because like I don't wear this type of hair at all. Like, it's something new. I'm excited. Who baby hairs are this long? Like, well, this is what the frontal is looking like. It's a 13 by 4 inch. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do some plucking. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to do a little plucking and all that good stuff, but it looks nice. They did like some customization, but I need to do more. The texture matches the bundle, so we'll see if that holds up after we wash it. So I'm just gonna go co-wash this and then wait till it dries and all that good stuff. I'm not gonna bleach it out because I don't have any powder and I was not about to go back outside, so I'm gonna just put like my powder foundation on it and call it a day. But yeah, I'm gonna wash this out and then we're gonna get into the wig construction. So see you guys in my next clip. Okay, so I lied. I'm not gonna wash the hair first. I'm just gonna do the entire wig so you guys can see how it will look once it's done. And then I'm gonna wash it. So if there are any differences, you will see it on camera. So, cause I want to see too. Oh yeah, I hate when pictures of y'all seeing the bottom half of my body, but I'm not matching and don't flame me because I'm ashy. So we're gonna start with the frontal. We need a mannequin head, some T-pins, any type of pins that'll help with the frontal, laying it down. Some clips to clip the hair out the way, and needle and thread. So what I'm gonna start by doing is placing the frontal, well, the hairline of the frontal right in front of where the dome cap starts. So for this part, you want to make sure your frontal is laying like really flat. So there shouldn't be any gaps or anything like that. It should be laying flat AF on the cap. Make sure my angle is good. All right, so you want to start in the middle. Well, I personally like to start in the middle. I don't know why, that's just my preference. And I'm just gonna take my needle and push it through, downwards, through the frontal and in the cap. I'll wrap the thread around 2 times to give it a nice secure knot when I'm done pulling the thread through. See, like, you have to hold it because sometimes it'll knot it way earlier than what you need it to be knotted. And I'm gonna work my way to the right. This part is really important. So as you're approaching the elastic part of the dome cap, you want to make sure that you're skimming through the first layer only. If you thread through the entire thing, you won't be able to fit your wig. Like, that shit would not fit. Repeat the same thing on the other side, and I'll be back. Look at this hair. Gee, this might be my new favorite texture the whole time. I feel like a Hollywood star or something. But like, look at this. I'm gonna part it and see how it looks. Wow. Wow, I can't wait to customize this. Okay, so this is all for my wig construction video. Make sure you guys stay tuned for part 2 of this video, which will be me customizing and installing the wig. So yeah, definitely make sure you guys stick around for that. And if you guys like this video, make sure you hit a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and turn on post notifications so that you're aware when I post. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.